Hello friends, today we will download Microsoft Power BI from their official website. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, we will open a Chrome browser and search here for Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop. Yeah, Power BI Desktop for Windows 10. Okay, great. This is the official website from where we have to download the Power BI Desktop. So click on the link of the Microsoft where we can find the Power BI original or official desktop app. So this is the Microsoft Power BI desktop page from where we can download. First, we will select the language in which language we want to download Power BI, and then click on download button. It will prompt a dialog box from where we can select the version of our Power BI desktop app, whether we want to download a 64-bit version or 32 bits version. So I will prefer to download 64-bit version. I will click on download 64-bit. Now I have started the download. It will take some time depending on the speed of my internet connectivity. Yeah, now we have downloaded the Microsoft Power BI desktop setup of 64-bit. Now select this, click on this, and run as administrator. Now we have to select the language in which language we want to install the Power BI in our machine. I would like to prefer English language. Okay, now click on next. Now again click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. Again click on next. Create a desktop app and yes, and install. Now the Power BI desktop 64-bit version has been installed in our machine. We will click on finish button and it will launch the Power BI desktop app in few moments. So we have successfully installed the Power BI desktop 64-bit version in our machine. Thanks for watching.